Monday, and it's time for us to talk technology here on Power Talk Radio, and that means our tech expert, Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, is with us again. Hello, Luis.
Hello, Mark. How are you?
Okay, I'm recovering. Getting back from having that the infamous COVID. So
the COVID, yeah.
Oh my God.
Well, I'm glad you're back. I'm feeling better.
Well, thank you. So we have a story here from ComputerWeekly.com that Oracle is going on the hunt for Java non-compliance. Now, most of us haven't really thought about Java for a long time, and I thought that it wasn't even being used. But apparently, Java is being used, and Oracle, they want money, and they want a lot of money for it. So what's going on with Java?
Well, Java is still very popular,
Okay.
but it's used primarily by developers in their applications. So a lot of applications that people use every day in their desktops have Java embedded in them. And until this year, those Java licenses, if you will, were kind of baked into the price that you paid for the application. So when you bought, let's say you bought Famous, which is an application that a lot of ad companies buy. It has Java in it. And so you pay one price and then you have that Java licensing kind of baked in. When Oracle is saying, not so much. We now want you to pay on a monthly basis for every desktop user that is using Java license, in addition to the server that is using the Java license. So they're going after people who are using Java, even if they have not purchased it in the recent past. It doesn't matter how old it is, they're going after you. So don't be surprised if you have an email or a letter from your application vendor saying, hey, sorry, but you're not going to have to start paying Oracle, who owns Java, a monthly license fee for every year that you have on our application. And it's not our fault. It's the way Oracle is doing it.
Well, and then the amount of money that they want is really substantial, too.
Yeah. I mean, it can be, depending on the size of your company, it could be several $1,000s a month. Unexpected licensing you're now on the hook for, or they go after you, in court and either then that you cease and desist or you pay them. So don't be surprised if you get that call, or if you're an IT vendor. I know we've had to talk to a few of our clients about it, and they're not happy, but it's don't shoot the messenger. We're just delivering the message.
Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, with us online. It's alvareztg.com. At AlvarezTG is the Twitter handle. And Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-TEAM. That's 866-784-8326.